Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you some various Techno drawing materials, their uses, and how to set up your drawing paper on your drawing board. In Techno drawing, there are some various materials we'll be needing to produce a very perfect engineering or technical drawing. Starting first with the T-square. The T-square is used to draw horizontal lines on the drawing paper. It has the head and it has the blade. This is the head, this is the blade. We also have our set square. Our set square is used, we have the 30-60 degree set square. This can be used to draw isometric drawing, that's 30 degree or 60 degree. We have the 45 degree set square. This can be used to draw obliques, and we also have the protractor. This can be used for measuring of angles. We have the ruler for drawing lines. Also, we have our French curve. The French curve can be used to draw irregular curves like ellipse or cycloids and all the likes. Then we have our rotary set. Our rotary set can be used also. We have the pencil there, we have the protractor, we have the compass inside the rotary set. Also, we have the masking tape. This is the masking tape. It's used to hold the paper to the edge of the drawing board so that the paper is not going to be shaking while producing drawing, in order to produce a very perfect drawing. We have the maset. This is the maset. The maset is comprising of the mini set square and some rulers just to produce perfect drawing. We'll have the eraser and the sharpener and pencils inside. Also, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your drawing paper on your drawing board in order to make a perfect drawing. Firstly, we have to put the edge of our T-square to the drawing board. We have to maintain this line and make sure our T-square is set, the head of the T-square is set to the side of the drawing board. Then take your drawing paper and make sure this place aligns with the edge of the T-square. You have to check it. If it aligns with the edge of the T-square, that's very perfect. Then you pick your masking tape. When you pick your masking tape, you tape the down of the paper. You pick the other masking tape for taping the down of the other side of the paper. Then you come down here and make a smooth movement. Then you tape the down here also. When you tape the down here also, you also tape this place also. After taping it, you have produced a very perfect and smooth paper that can be used for drawing now, already set for drawing.